In this video, we'll show you how to backup and restore your WhatsApp chat using a PC. So if you don't want to use your Google Drive account, you can also transfer all of your WhatsApp chats and data to your PC and then restore it on a new phone. So for this, you'll first need to open the WhatsApp app. Now go to the settings. Now here tap on chats. Now in this menu, scroll down and then tap on chat backup. Now here you will need to select automatic backups and then turn them off. Once you have done this, simply tap on this backup button. So this will take a few seconds, but it will create a local chat backup on your phone's storage. Once it is created, you will see the time that it was created and also the size of the backup. Once you have done this, what you need to do is connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable. Now here open the File Explorer window, go to your phone's internal storage and then simply search for WhatsApp. Now here you will see a bunch of results. You simply need to click on this WhatsApp folder. Now here select all the files, right click on the selection and then select copy. Now paste this data anywhere on your PC locally. So simply create a new folder on the desktop and then paste all the data here. Now what you need to do is grab your second phone on which you want to restore the data and download WhatsApp on it. Now click on agree and continue. Once you are on this screen, don't set up your account just yet. What you need to do is now connect your phone to the PC on which you have backed up all the data. Now go to your phone's storage here and then search for WhatsApp. So this will again bring up this WhatsApp folder. So here you should see a bunch of folders. Now you need to go to your backup data, copy all the backup data and then paste it here. You will be asked if you want to replace the existing folders. Simply tick this checkbox and then select yes to confirm. Once you have transferred all the data, go to your phone's settings menu. Now scroll down and then tap on accounts and backup. Now go to manage account. Now make sure to remove your existing Google account from here, so that the Google Drive backup doesn't interfere with the restoration process. So make sure to remove the account. Now go to WhatsApp again. Now allow all the necessary permissions and then enter your phone number. Once you have entered your phone number, you should see the option to restore all the data. Simply tap on restore and you should be able to recover all your chats on the new phone.